cutie Grace here. Today we are going to draw pineapple, so let's get started. I'm going to draw the pineapple body, so a curve down here and a curve outwards. And stop at here. I will be drawing a ribbon here, so a small circle here, the ribbon with two rounds in shape, the bottom of the ribbon will be like this. So the pineapple head will be drawing like this. Just draw some little sharp leaf. Okay, two round eyes here, and with the eyelid, two circles and another two circles, and add some detail to the eyes. The pineapple looks like a pretty cute girl, right? And a cute smile. Okay, now we have a pineapple. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow it with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.